Hi, my name is Dinesh Kalia. I am a freelance corporate trainer. My age is 69 and I am from Delhi. When I joined this program, I was not aware of what benefit I am going to get from this program. But after joining this Be10x Masterclass program, I am not having words to say about this program, how much I am excited and delighted. At this age, I am continuously watching these videos what Aditya Kachave and his team is giving to us. Wonderful. I am not having words to appreciate this program, and this program is going to definitely for my corporate training programs. People say that at this age, how you can be so much comfortable with AI and computer. But I think this is the best thing I am going to get. Thank you, Aditya. Thank you, your team. I am highly delighted and very keen to know more details about this program. Thanks a lot, very much.